Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can alphabetize in Google Doc. Now what is alphabetize? Basically right now this list is not in alphabetical order. A is down, B is down. Alphabetical order means A is going to be at the top, then B, then C, just like that. To do this, first you need to get an extension. And to get an extension, first you need to click on extension at the top and click on add-on. From add-ons, click on get add-ons. Now once you click on get add-ons, this page will pop up. Now from this page over here where it says search, you want to search for sorted paragraphs. Click on sorted paragraphs. From over here, choose sorted paragraphs and then click on install. Then click on continue. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to choose your Gmail account. Choose the Gmail account and then it'll start to install. Click on allow. And once it starts to install and its installation is complete, this extension is going to be available for you. Now once this extension is available for you, basically what you need to do is click on done and close this. Once you close this, just highlight the text and then click on over here extension and then choose sorted paragraph over here and choose sorted A to Z. Then it's going to process and then it's going to sort it just like this. That's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.